Okay, it's time to start diagnosing this Bombardier. That's how you pronounce it, I'm not quite sure. From what I can tell is, I just took this top off, and the person I bought it from, they said that there may be a stator issue. And they left this off. There are 8 screws or 8 bolts, which I found, which is good. This was taken off. And that's all the diagnosis that I believe has ever been done on this. But these look pretty rusted right here. I don't know if this top was left open and they rusted. You know, up here, I don't know what this is, but where you're missing the padding up here, this looks like the kill switch, the start switch, and this is stuck on there too. So it seems to be in kind of rough shape, you know. There's the bolts. And these pads here, obviously pretty rough too. This is your oil fill on this one. So what I'm going to do is I want to take a look at this carb for sure. But maybe I'll see if I can get a battery in here, at least turn it over. If I can get the engine turning over, I'll check out the oil lines, see how those look. They always seem to rot out. Let's see if we can pull some of this out while we're looking at it. Where are the oil lines? It looks like fuel right there. It looks like a fuel filter. That's not an oil line. I bet you that's in one big oil line. Okay, so I think I need to take this carb out just to, yeah, see there's some oil lines going in there. I bet you those need to be replaced. Almost guarantee it. Probably a good idea to do regardless. All right, let's find a battery. Let's throw it in here and I don't know, see if we can get some action out of it. All right, I got a battery in here. I don't know where this electrical box is supposed to go though. It just like sits in here or something. Anyway, for now I'm gonna leave this off. Well, all right, let's see. We got a key in here. Let's see if we can turn this over. Do we have a key? Is this the key? Turn on reserve. Well, let's just leave it off. Let's just hit that. Oh, well, there we go. Oh yeah. Kablamo. Sweet. Guess we don't need no key. All right. So now we just got to check for spark. See if it really is a stator issue, or if maybe we just need some spark plugs. Or a fuse, or who knows. You know what, I just noticed we got a holder fill plug down here. I hope we can find that. If not, we might have to purchase that. Should be a drain cap somewhere. Oh, well, they don't look too bad. Let's do the old see if this is sparking trick. Getting any spark. I think I want to check a fuse before I check the stator. I've checked these 2 main fuses and they both look fine. So I think the issue might be with the stator or the magneto. I'm going to see if I can get to it down here. Maybe clean off the tips to it, but oh yeah, let's try to do that next. I already have the cover off this compartment. That looks like somebody's been trying to loosen that nut right there. All right, let's get this battery out of here. Let's see if we can loosen that nut. I might have to hold the engine on this side. I believe they do make a special tool for getting that off, but I do not have that, so let's see what we can do. It's going to be a 30 milliliter socket. Get this on here to hold it. I think I'm going to have to hold it this way without trying to damage this. All right. Oh wait, it's grabbing now. Hold on. Okay, it's grabbing. All right. All right, let's see if I can loosen this. Come on. Am I going the right way? That's the question. Is it reverse threaded? Is it reverse threaded? I don't think it should be, right? Come on. I'm putting pretty good pressure on this. Maybe that'll help break some of the Loctite on there. All right, it's grabbing. Oh, I got it. I think. Yes. Did it. Oh, it's hot still. All right. Okay. That's not the hardest part though. I still think we got to pop that off somehow. So this company called Super Clean sent me their products to test out. I think this is their original formula. It's probably their toughest one here. They also have it in an aerosol form. This is their wheel cleaner that foams up. They show their scale is very alkaline, 13 out of 14 on this scale here. They suggest using full strength for things like grills, lawnmowers, tractors, cars. But they also suggest watering it down, 3 parts water for certain things. You can also find this form on their website if you need to dilute it with water. I think it's just superclean.com. Let's find something dirty to try this out with. Let's try this on this mildew here. It makes quick work of that. Oh man, look at all this grease and grime here. Doesn't seem to have a problem with that. On the back of the can, it shows brakes, grills, engines, tools, driveways, outdoor furniture, marine kitchens, bathrooms, stainless steel. I can do this on my stainless steel grill. Maybe I'll give that a shot. Oh man, this grill is nasty. I need to get more paper towels. That stuff's working pretty well. That's really not a bad first pass. Some of this stuff is sap from the tree that I got to pick up, but I did a pretty good job for a real quick first pass. These guys are listed everywhere. I like O'Reilly's right down the street, and they carry it there, as well as Advanced Auto Parts, Ace, Lowe's, Napa, Walmart. I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can check this out if you want to purchase their products. All right, let's get back to work. Okay, I think in order to get this off, I think we need to punch this in here. Maybe it'll push this out. I think that's the way to do that. I really don't want to take this engine out if I don't have to. So I rented this puller at O'Reilly's, and I was able to get 2 of the puller legs on this flywheel here. The third one, I can't get it on there. I'm hoping that'll give me enough grab to, you know, to pull it out. Let's turn this and see if I can pull this off. That is not coming.
The SeaDoo manual here is from 1994, so I think this is the right one. I'm looking at this page here. There's a special tool to attach to the flywheel, which holds it in place, and then there's another special tool which you put on the other side of the flywheel. This is the back side of the engine to basically lock it so that you can unbolt the nut. I don't have this tool, so I'm going to use the alternate method, which is which is using this pipe wrench here to hold it in place. So I've done that already. I've got the nut off. But now we need to get this flywheel off. And it looks like there's another special tool here. It's a puller is what they're calling it. Fully thread on the puller into puller plate. Oh, I think I get it. So the puller goes inside this plate here. Okay, so the puller goes in the plate, which pushes against it and pulls it out. Okay, I'm starting to understand here. So the puller here threads onto this plate, which pulls the flywheel off. And then you heat this up with a propane torch to release the Loctite, and then tap lightly on the ring gear using a hammer to release it. And that's what will come off. Okay, I thought that was kind of what I was doing with the other puller. Huh. Didn't seem to budge though. And once we get that off, then we should have access to the magneto.
All right, I went to O'Reilly's and swapped out the pullers that I had for another one. This is a harmonic balancer puller kit. It's a little bit smaller. I'm hoping this one will work. All right, I'm not too confident this is going to work, but I've got it on there. At least it's, you know, it's not quite centered. I'm going to try to center it up a little bit more and then see if I can unscrew this. This is not budging. Shouldn't be this hard. I think I might just have to pull this engine. I am not getting this off. Oh, so I've gone ahead and pulled this engine out. I didn't take you through all that because it's just 4 bolts there. And really, there's the disconnect here. There's not a like a clutch coupler in like there was in the Kawasaki. You basically just need to take off this little ring right here, this clip that holds on this rubber boot right around the shaft here, and then it just decouples here. I did, you know, loosen that off, you know, to make it easier. Maybe I didn't have to take that off, but yeah, here's another line I got to disconnect as well. So I picked up this puller set again, and now that I've got the engine out of here, I think I can put my impact on this and hopefully get this loose. That's good. 19. Okay. A moment of truth. Nothing. Sound like the air compressor was turned down. I'm going to turn up the pressure on the air compressor. Do a little more. All right. Is that not? Come look, I'm bending this. Bending that, bending that. I don't know how to get this off. Do not know. Absolutely nothing. All right, listen, I'm done with this machine. I can't get this off. I think all I have is a Stator magneto issue that I got to get off, replaced. I mean, it's probably a $20 part. But I've given up. I'm giving up. I've spent too much time on this. If any of you people know how to get this off, maybe I don't have the right tool. There is no clip on here keeping it on. I've tried heat, I've tried banging it or pressing it, whatever. It just won't come off. I don't know. I don't know how to do it. Let me know. Let me know how to get this thing off. Otherwise, I'm gonna put it back in the machine and give it away to somebody. You know, I'm just gonna have to end it here because I don't know what else to do. I'd love to get it on the water, try it out, put it back together, see how powerful this thing is. But can't do it, can't do it. I've met my limits, and so I'm done. I would really like some good comments on this. Let me know how to get this off and fix it. All right, signing off. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later.